A KOA factory, normally producing top-of-the-range climbing and camping equipment. Normally this factory would have about 270 people working daily. Thinking outside the box, they are now producing up to 20,000 face masks per day, with the demand possibly reaching 100,000 per day. It's providing employment to 60 people here.
What we're doing at the moment is we've ramped up our production to the point where at the moment we're getting about 16,000 masks made a day between us and our CMT network. What we're aiming for is at the moment to get to 20,000, but there are big things happening and a lot of information coming to us that we have to even ramp up further. So we're going to be trying to ramp up even to, if possible, at some stage we might even have to get up to 100,000 a day, which means there's an opportunity for us to give work out to our network of CMTs and more CMTs who may not have work from other areas. And by doing that, it makes it possible for people to have an income, and for households who otherwise would have no income and it would be a real disaster for them, they're going to have something and be able to put food on the table for their families.
There has been some confusion regarding face masks, but the advice from experts is for everyone to wear a mask in public. It could play a huge role in stopping the spread of the virus.
When the work was done by the Department of Health on masks, and it was opened up to say we all should have a mask on, that it was great to see the businesses jump up. And I think, as you say, it's not only here, they're putting packs together that are going to those small little CMTs in the community who are now also able to put food on the table, because they're the missing middle. They don't have social grants and they don't have permanent employment, and now suddenly that's a little bit of a gap.
It's a two-way street to help save lives and to provide employment. So how are things in the Western Cape, according to the Premier?
We're still in the early days of this virus in the province. Our projections are that we're trying to flatten the curve, but it's still going to climb. We've got all these work streams that are working at the moment, obviously focusing now on medical protection, etc. Our economics guys working on the new normal post-lockdown, and as you move into post-lockdown, because you can't stay in lockdown forever, but business is going to be conducted differently, and so we're busy working on that at the moment.
The new normal. Business and life will never quite be the same again. Necessity is, after all, the mother of invention. Craig Murray, SABC News.